Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PS4 controller on iOS. First, ensure your PlayStation 4 controller is fully charged. Next, put it into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the PlayStation button and the share button for a few seconds until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. Then, open the Settings application on your iOS device. Navigate to the Bluetooth settings and select the DualShock 4 wireless controller from the list of available devices to connect. It's a straightforward process. Once connected, you'll find that many Apple Arcade games and various titles from the App Store fully support MFI controllers, including your PlayStation 4 controller. Always check the game's description in the App Store to confirm controller compatibility before you play. While the controller offers a fantastic experience, remember that its touchpad and light bar functionalities are generally not supported when used with iOS devices. This ensures a smooth, focused gaming session. To disconnect your PlayStation 4 controller, simply hold down the PlayStation button for about 10 seconds until it powers off. Alternatively, you can unpair it directly from your iOS device's Bluetooth settings. If you encounter any connection issues, a quick restart of both your controller and your iOS device often resolves the problem. Also, always ensure your iOS device is running the latest software version for the best and most stable performance. Using a PlayStation 4 controller significantly enhances your mobile gaming, offering far more precision and comfort than touch controls alone. Consider using a phone clip to attach your iPhone directly to the controller for a seamless, portable gaming setup. For a stable connection, keep your controller and iOS device within a range of approximately 30 feet. Remember to regularly check for any firmware updates for your PlayStation 4 controller to ensure optimal compatibility and performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.